talk about it, do we? No. Shh.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm taking you on our day 2 for my Okada vlog. So today we're gonna take a visit and take a look at the amenities here in Okada, Manila. Pool area. And then this guy's excited for the gym. May chocolate? Then
What's the entrance?
oh, this is the one that we see upstairs.
Oo nga, no? Yung tree.
Yeah.
Di ba may tree na ano? Ayun po ba?
This is the spa pool.
Yung tatlo.
So, I think this is the one that we see upstairs. But I like it.
I'm in love with the letdown. It's my obsession. Drowning in
Malamig. I prefer it like this, yung walang tao. Here, we're on the 3rd floor. The spa. The spa area. So this one is the spa pool. Walang tao. Let's go.
Alamig.
Malamig. Let's go to the pool. Let's try out the... It's so cold. Oh my gosh.
I'm really done, here we go now. I'm in love to let down. I know. I'm in love to let down. I'm in love with the letdown.
We're going to the Coral Wing. We'll check out the other pool before going to the gym. He's going to the gym, not me. Yum!
So what per head? 4,000.
How much?
4,000.
And then yung pool natin, may sarili po siyang steam. Before po mag-massage, pwede niyo po siyang gamitin.
Steam room?
Oh.
4,000. 1 hour? 1 hour.
Thank you.
Thank you. It smells amazing in here.
Tandaan po ah.
Thank you, miss. Bye-bye, pool. Thank you. Oh, there's dining here. There's dining at it. It's a salon. Do you know where you're going? Oh, maybe we should ask first.
Tanong mo, saan ang koro?
Miss, excuse me, where's the Coral Wing?
Or yung straight ahead po, that's yung pinaka-dulo po, may door. Yung
Uh-huh.
one part na po dun going to the car.
Oh, okay. Thank you.
Hello.
Hello. Ooh, this is the dome that we see in our room. Okay, let's go. Here, let's see it. Such a short distance lang pala.
This. Thank you.
Thank you. Very convenient. Thank you. It's the main pool. Good morning. Hi.
Hindi na siguro. Ano lang.
We just wanna take a look. Nice thing here is parang may view. There's a view there at the back. Which pool is that?
Puro maraming ba?
No, ang daming tao. I don't like it. I like the other one better. Mas konti yung people. Mas mas maganda to shoot videos.
Mas okay dun.
Wait,
Kasi hindi masyado mainit.
yeah. Where are we? I think we're there. We're there now.
Mukhang maliit sa taas, pero malaki oh. Di ba?
Yeah. The view is nicer here because you can see like the outside and stuff. It's really cool. will really get burnt. Full Saigon.
Pwede ka para dito mag-breakfast.
Can I see? What's the menu? So guys, it's nearly checkout time. We're just finished packing up our things, and then we're gonna have lunch. We're gonna eat lunch at Shabunoki, which is an eat all you can Samgyupsal place and Shabu Shabu place too. But it's our go-to place talaga because they have like unlimited shrimps, unlimited scallops and cheese, aside from the usual pork and beef thing that they have. So it's going to be our lunch today. And I'll show you the price, and I'll also show you guys what we ate there. So see you. This is how the spread of Shabunoki looks like. It's 849 pesos for all of this. So you have your unlimited pork, beef, wagyu cubes, you have some shrimps and scallops, and it's decorated so beautifully in this platter. Of course, like all other Korean barbecues, the price comes with the banchan already. And you have your lettuce on the sides, you have your kimchi, you have your wings, and then you also have some odeng, japchae, sweet potato, and your piping hot soup, which I love.
Give me back my crown. Stay up at night, fighting with my head and my mind. I can see that you're really trying.
They have these medium-sized shrimps also. You can have the waiters peel them for you, but of course, I really suggest you give them a tip if they will do that extra service for you guys. Then for the sides, they also have tempura. To be very honest, it's not the best, but I mean, it's shrimp. I'll still eat it anyway. So I asked them to remove the shell na, tapos na there's garlic already. So it's super convenient po. Oh. So what I do with the scallops is that I ask for some chopped garlic. I put it on top of the scallops and sprinkle some salt and pepper, cook it, and then after that dip it in this delicious cheese. Now that is the way you enjoy your buffet. Then, as I mentioned, it comes with some wagyu cubes. This isn't the top grade wagyu cubes. I'm guessing this is some local wagyu cubes, but regardless, it's still very delicious. It's still very tender, buttery, and soft, and I would highly recommend ordering a few plates of these.
Yeah, yeah, Stay up at night, fighting with my head and my mind. I can see that you're really trying. Stay up at night, fighting with my head and on my mind. Whatever I call me.
So that is the end of the vlog, guys. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you can like and subscribe for more food, travel, and real estate videos. See you on my next video. See you guys soon. Bye!